Hello guys, thank you very much for watching my all videos and I welcome all of you at my MacForex YouTube channel. As you know, all my subscribers know very well, I have given the weekly basis forecast about the gold, and now today I will start to give you the weekly forecast of Euro USD also. Okay, so last time I have uploaded the video 1 week ago, like a 11th October I uploaded this gold forecast, and my prediction, my forecast accuracy was 100%, which I given to you. So in this video also we will discuss about the gold weekly forecast, what is possible, what rate is possible gold will touch. Today we will discuss. Okay, so first of all, before starting the topic, I request to you like and subscribe my YouTube channel for further best videos and press this bell icon also for further future all kind of best strategies, best videos, because I always try my best to bring for you the best strategies, best many kind of indicators also. You can contact with me at my WhatsApp number also. These all videos are like education purpose. I tried always to give you the proper best knowledge and to learn something from my video regarding forex trading system. Okay, let's start on the topic. So what is the prediction of this week of the gold? Okay, so if we see the scenario of the gold, so as per my study, as per my prediction, gold is already changed the trend line. Okay, so for example, I will draw one line for you. You can see here, this is the bearish trend. Okay, so at this point I want to show you the proper this is the technical analysis which I am doing. Okay, so you can see here. So from this area I want to little bit like a zoom in. Okay, from this area to this area you can see the trend was in bearish, but at this point market broken the like a trend line, and now market have changed the trend in bearish to bullish. Okay, so you can see from there market is going there and already touched this point also. This point I have already given the prediction last week, market will touch this area, but you can see here market touch and again market is going down. But at the end of this week, I as per my prediction, as per my study, gold will touch 1831. Please note, this is the exact my prediction, because I have tested with different kind of strategies, different kind of best indicators also. So as per my study, gold will touch 1831 area. Okay, now the rate is running at the 1763. You can see here I have this one, my trade was in gold, and this one also trade was in gold. Two trades was in gold. I sell, this entry was in sell. Okay, but overall, if you want to do like a long-term trading, so you can buy this area also, and you can set the take profit safe side. If you want to do trade like a safe side, you can set the take profit there, and you need to wait to cross these strong resistance level, and you can buy again from this area. Okay, so this was the gold scenario, and let's discuss about the Euro USD also. What is the predicted prediction of the Euro USD price? Okay, so you can see here, still I will check the in H1. Okay, so in H1 you can see, if you see the overall this lane, you can see basically I will do for you the Euro USD analysis on the simple chart for easy understanding for you. Okay, when you calculate the long-term weekly forecast, when you want to predict the prices for the weekly basis, you need to follow the H4 or D1. Okay, you need to follow the H4 time frame or D1 time frame. Okay, so what you can see here, okay, I will draw the lanes for you. You can see here, okay, this was bullish. Okay, Okay, now again this is the bearish trend. Basically I want to give you the proper education also for your understanding, the trend line, because if you understand the technical analysis properly, so I hope you can make good profit in forex trading system. So you can see here from this time, like a 7th September to 14 October, market was in bearish trend, but at this point market have broken the bearish trend. So as per my study, now at the end of this week I predict the price will touch the 1.1747, but I will check the levels also, what the level said. You can see here market is now at this point. If market broken this area, you can see 1751. So 1751 is expected end of this week in Euro USD. I will check this one also, you can see. Okay, so this was my gold and Euro USD weekly forecast. I hope you have learned something with these strategies, because I always try to give you the very easy way for trading. Trading is very easy if you have a good knowledge, if you can understand the chart, if you can understand the technical analysis, and if you don't break the rules, you definitely can earn good profit in forex trading systems with proper follows like a fundamental analysis, and you can make good profit in forex trading. So gold, again I will tell you, as per my prediction, gold will touch this point like a 1831 end of this week, as per my opinion, as per my prediction, because you can only predict the market. Okay, you 100% nobody is sure what is happening like next 1 hour or 2 hours, but if you have a good knowledge about the trading system, if you have a good knowledge and if you have a good knowledge about the technical analysis, you can predict. And obviously if you have a knowledge about the technical analysis or fundamental analysis, your trade will go in profit. Okay, so like this. So finally I will give you the weekly forecast of the gold. Gold will touch 1830, okay, as per my prediction, and Euro USD will touch the 1745, this point possibility, because from this area you can see market always like a zigzag situation. Okay, you can see here there was a bearish area, market again touch, this is going down, then again touch, this is going down, then again touch, and this is going down, but market has broken this lane, broken this lane, and now market is going there. And after this market again give you the little bit support levels. Now this is the support level. Okay, but if market break this zone, because this is the support level, but as per my study, market definitely will broke this resistance area, and market will touch the this price. So I hope you have understand about the gold and Euro USD weekly forecast. If you have any kind of question, you can contact with me at my given WhatsApp number. If you want to get the proper video online classes, you also can contact me. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I again request to you like and subscribe this YouTube channel for further best videos and the further best 100% like a 90% accuracy basis weekly forecast. Goodbye. Thank you.